Children, today I am going to discuss the formation of different kind of images through the convex lens. But firstly we will discuss the rules for the image formation by the convex lens. Okay. So what is convex lens? As I have already explained to you, that is a convex lens is a kind of mirror lens which is thicker at the middle and the thinner at the edges. And it is thicker at the middle and the thinner at the edges. The center point of the lens is called optical center, and a line which is passing through the optical center and perpendicular to both the faces of the lens, that is called principal axis. So this one line is called principal axis and this one point is called optical center, which is denoted by O. Okay. So what is the focus? That is a main focus or a principal focus. A ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis passes through a point on the principal axis, and this one point is called principal focus. So this one is the main focus of the convex lens. Two foci are there, that is f1 and f2, but the main focus of the convex lens is in the right side. Because what is the main focus? That is a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis passes through the point, and that point is called the main focus. Okay, so this one is a main focus, and here this one will be f dash, and this is a 2f and the 2f dash. 2f is a point on the principal axis which is twice as the distance as the focal length, that is 2f. Okay, from the optical center. So this one is the first rule of the image formation by the convex lens, that is a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis. It passes through a point on the principal axis, that is called principal focus. So this one is first rule for the image formation by the convex lens. Now I am going to discuss the second rule of the image formation by the convex lens. So again we have to draw the convex lens. Okay, and again this is optical center, focus f, 2f, and this one is f dash, and then this one is 2f dash. So the second rule of the image formation by the convex lens is a ray of light which is passing through the focus. Okay, a ray of light which is passing through the focus, after of the refraction through the convex lens, it will be parallel to the principal axis. So a ray of light which is passing through the focus, it becomes parallel after of the refraction through the convex lens. The first rule was a ray which was initially parallel, it passes through the focus, and the second rule is that a ray of light which is passing through the focus, it will be parallel after of the refraction. Now I am going to the third rule of the image formation by the convex lens. Okay. So again I have to draw the convex lens. And this one is the optical center, this one is f dash, 2f dash, and f and 2f. So the third rule for the image formation by the convex lens is a ray of light which is passing through optical center will be undeviated after of the refraction. It will go along the straight line. It will not deviate from its path. So this one is the third rule of the image formation by the convex lens. Three rules are there. Ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis, it passes through the focus. A ray of light which is passing through the focus, it becomes parallel after of the refraction. And the ray of light which is passing through the optical center, it will be undeviated and go along the straight line after of the refraction through the convex lens. Now we will place the object at different positions and we will get the different kind of images by the convex lens. Okay. So we can place the object at different positions. So firstly I am going to place the object in between the optical center and the focus. So in between the O and the F dash. place the object at different positions, just like in between the optical center and the focus, at focus, between the focus and the f and 2f dash, and after of that 2f dash, beyond 2f dash, at infinity. So by placing the the object at different positions, we will get the different kind of images, okay, after of the refraction through the convex lens. Okay. So suppose that firstly we are placing the object in between the optical center and the focus. So in first condition, the object is placed between O and, or that is optical center, and f dash. Okay. So suppose that this one is the object that is denoted by AB. Apply any two rules of the image formation, that is very clear. And after of that, meet two refracted rays. The point at which they will meet, that point will act as an image. I'm just going to draw it. So suppose that we will apply any two rules, that is a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis, it will pass through focus. So this one is the first rule which I have applied. And the second rule, a ray of light which is passing through the optical center, okay, it will be undeviating. So here we are seeing that these two refracted rays are divergent. So they will not meet in this side of the lens. So we will produce them back side, and now we will see that they will meet back side. Okay. So here actually they do not meet really, but by producing them we can meet them. Okay. So here the image formation by the convex lens takes place whenever the object is placed in between the optical center and the focus. I am just explaining it. Again explaining it. Suppose that the object is placed in between the optical center and the focus. So we will apply any two rules. Suppose the first rule is a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis passes through the focus. And the second one rule, a ray of light which is passing through the optical center will be undeviated. Okay. These two rays are divergent rays, so they will not meet in the right side of the lens. Whenever we will produce them back side, they will meet. So here the image which is formed is virtual in nature. Okay, because actually they do not meet, but by producing them we are actually they are meeting. So the what will be the characteristics of the image, which is generally asked in the examinations, that we have to tell about the characteristics of the image. So the characteristic of the image whenever the object is placed in between the optical center and the focus is, the first one is that it is virtual in nature. Okay. And the second one, so it can't be seen on the screen. As I have already explained you, two kinds of images are there. The first one is a real and the second one is a virtual. Real image can be projected on the screen, whereas virtual image can't be projected on the screen. Okay. So the image which is formed is virtual in nature and it is upright. Okay, why it is upright. Okay, or erect in nature. Because the object, if the object is just placed above the principal axis, then the image is also formed above the principal axis. So the image is upright or erect in nature. And the second one, third one is it is enlarged. So these are the three characteristics of the image which is formed by the convex lens. Okay, whenever the object is placed in between the focus and the optical center. I think so it is clear to everyone. Now I am going to discuss the next thing whenever the object is placed at the focus. So I am going to now I am going to place the object at focus. So here the second case is whenever the object is placed at focus. So what will happen? Suppose that this one is a convex lens. going to place the object at focus. So here we are placing the object. Suppose that this is AB. Apply any two rules of the image formation. Same thing will be applied in every case. That is a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis that passes through the focus. And the ray of light which is passing through the optical center, it will be undeviated and go along the straight line. Here we are seeing that these two refracted rays are parallel to each other. See, because they are parallel to each other, so they will not meet. Okay. So finally we can say that the image which is formed is at infinity. So whenever the object is placed at the focus, what are the characteristics of the image? First thing, the image which is formed is at infinity, and the second one, actually it will be highly enlarged. Okay, so it is highly enlarged, and it is inverted because the object is above the principal axis, but the image which is formed is below the principal axis. So it is inverted in nature. Okay. And the fourth one is, it is real in nature. Okay. So I think so this thing was also clear to you. In the third case, I am going to place the object in between the f dash and the 2f dash. So here the object is placed. Now again apply two rules of the image formation. That is, the first rule is a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis, it passes through the focus. Okay, and a ray of light which is passing through optical center, it will be undeviated. Okay, so here we are seeing that these two refracted rays actually meet each other beyond 2f. So the image which will be formed will be beyond 2f. Okay. So this one is an image which is formed by the object. So these, what will be the characteristics of the image? So the first characteristic of the image will be, it is real or inverted in nature. It is real in nature. Okay. Why it is real in nature? Because these two refracted rays actually meet each other. So the image which is formed is real in nature. And the second one, it is inverted because the object is placed above the principal axis but the image is formed below the principal axis. So it is inverted. Ulti ban rahi hai na image. So inverted. And the third one will be nature characters, that is, it is enlarged. The object is smaller as compared to the image. So it is enlarged, and the image which is formed is beyond 2f. It is clear to you, I think so. So this is these are the characteristics of the image whenever the object is placed between f dash and the 2f dash. In the next case, we have placed the object at 2f dash. So apply any, suppose that this one is an object, we have applied two rules. That is, a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis, it passes through the focus after of the refraction through the convex lens. And the ray which is passing through the optical center, it will be undeviated and it will go along the straight line. And here we are seeing that these two refracted rays will meet each other at this point. And that is also at 2f. And we are also seeing that the image which is formed is of the same size as the object. So whenever the object is placed at 2f, so what are the characteristics of image? The characteristics of image are, the first one is, it is real in nature. Why it is real in nature? Because these two refracted rays really meet each other. Actually they meet. Okay. The second thing is it is inverted. And the third one is it is of the same size as the object. And where the image is formed, that is at 2f. So this one is the only case whenever the object distance is equal to the image distance and the image which is formed is of equal side. So this question usually asked from in the board examination that where the object should place so that the image which is formed by the convex lens is of equal size. Then the object is placed the object should place at 2f dash. In this case, the object distance will be equal to the image distance and the size of the image will be equal to the size of the object. Now the next one thing that is the object should place beyond the 2f dash. Again, lens, optical center, f dash, 2f dash, f, 2f, and the object is placed beyond 2f. Apply any two rules for the image formation. Okay, that is a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis. It passes through the point that is called focus. And the second one rule, a ray which is passing through the optical center, it will be undeviated. And here we all are seeing that the image is formed between f and the 2f whenever the object is placed beyond the 2f. So whenever the object is placed beyond 2f, the image which is formed is between f and 2f. So the image is formed between f and 2f. And now we are going to discuss the characteristics of image. So what are the characteristics of image which is formed by the convex lens whenever the object is placed beyond the 2f dash? That is, it is formed between 2f and f. And the image which is formed is inverted, that okay, and it is also real in nature. And the thing that is, it is between f and 2f, and it is smaller in size as compared to the object. So we have observed one thing. Whenever we were placing the object, okay, just like at focus and in between the f and 2f, then the image will form that is very a far distance as compared to the object. तो आपने ये देखा कि अगर आप ऑब्जेक्ट को पास में प्लेस कर रहे हो लेंस के, तो इमेज जो होता है वो ज्यादा डिस्टेंस पे फॉर्म होती है, और अगर आप ऑब्जेक्ट को लेंस से ज्यादा डिस्टेंस पे प्लेस करते हो तो इमेज जो होती है वो नियर फॉर्म होती है. और एक और चीज हमने ऑब्जर्व की कि अगर इमेज बगल में फॉर्म हो रही है, मतलब इट इज फॉर्म नियर द लेंस, देन इट इज स्मॉलर इन साइज, एंड इफ इट इज एट अ लार्जर डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द लेंस, देन इट इज लार्जर इन साइज. ज्यादा डिस्टेंस पे अगर इमेज होगी तो इमेज की साइज बड़ी होती है, और इमेज जैसे जैसे पास आती जा रही है इमेज छोटी होती जा रही है. ठीक है, तो हम u और v की हेल्प से ये भी पता कर सकते हैं कि इमेज कैसी होगी. अगर u ज्यादा दूर पे है इसका मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट बड़ा होगा, और अगर v बगल में है इसका मतलब इमेज छोटी होगी. तो ये इस तरह से हम ऑब्जेक्ट की हाइट और इमेज की हाइट को फाइंड कर सकते हैं कि कैसे वो स्मॉलर होंगे या लार्जर होंगे साइज में. नाउ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड एट इंफिनिटी. दैट इज द लास्ट केस which I am going to discuss. So here I am going to place the object at infinity. We are familiar that whenever the rays are coming from infinity, they are actually slant, है ना. वो ऐसे नहीं बल्कि वो थोड़े slant होते हैं. So suppose that a ray of light which is coming from the infinity and a ray of light which is passing through the optical center ऐसे आ रही है, it will be undeviated, and the ray of light which is passing through the focus, it will pass through the focus, it will be parallel after of the refraction. So here we are seeing that the image is formed at the focus. Image कहाँ पे form हो रही है? Focus. So whenever the object is placed at infinity, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा distance पे है, तो image कहाँ पे form हो रही है? Focus पे. So what are the characteristic of image? That image which is formed is at focus, बहुत smaller है size में, highly diminished. Object infinity मतलब it is very large in size, but the image which is formed is highly diminished, and of course it is at focus, highly diminished, and it is inverted, okay, and but it is real image. देखिए बच्चे, रियल और वर्चुअल में एक ही डिफरेंस याद करिएगा कि अगर रिफ्रैक्टेड रेस एक्चुअली मीट कर रहे हैं तो जो इमेज फॉर्म होगी वो रियल होगी, लेकिन अगर टू रिफ्रैक्टेड रेस एक्चुअली मीट नहीं करते हैं तो इमेज जो फॉर्म होगी वो वर्चुअल होगी. ओके, सो थैंक यू.